Today I'm going to show you how we keep our black and gray tanks odor-free in our RV. I've seen a lot of comments wondering how you get rid of the odor in your black tank. Some people think that the gray or that the black tank is the culprit to all the smell. The gray is too. So I'm going to show you what we do on a regular basis after we dump the tanks. It's my job. It used to be Randy's job, but I've taken it over. So what we use is over here, the four. The liquids I do about a third each, and I'll show you as I go along here. There's no particular order. It's Calgon water softener. Just pop open the thing, and I pour about a third in. And it's not an exact science. It takes just a couple minutes. A lot of people think it's overkill. I'm just doing what works for us. When we first moved into the RV, we had an awful time getting rid of the smell. We did have a pipe broken under the sink that Tiffin repaired for us, so that alleviated some of the smell. But we find this works best. Randy's a firm believer in Happy Camper, so we make sure we put in 2 scoops of that after we throw in the liquids. And I didn't really tell you what they were. This is just a distilled vinegar, and this is just your liquid Dawn that you would use for dishes. And again, I showed you the Calgon water softener. This is Randy's fail-safe. It's the Happy Camper, and we use 2 scoops in the black and 1 scoop in the gray. I like to dilute it before I put it in, so I go ahead and I get a full scoop, and I don't use a lot of water, but just kind of swirl it around there. Come on in. Okay, and then you want to watch the edge. You don't really want it to get on your seal or in the pipe, because then it wouldn't do you any good. If it's just laying on your pipe, the seal will leak because it's granular. One more should do it. Okay, so that was 1 Happy Camper. This is number 2. And as I said, some people think this is overkill. You'll find what works for you. This works best for us. So, and we don't do it every time. At least, what, twice a month you would think we would do it, hon?
Yeah, probably.
And you definitely want to do it before you hit the road. Once you've emptied out your gray tank, if you're going to be on a travel day, that's when we notice the gray tank smell the most, if we don't Happy Camper. Okay, and now 1 scoop down the sink covers the gray tank. And I do prefer to use the warm water because it makes it dissolve easier.
And the Dawn is basically to keep your sensors clean and the size of the tank.
Yeah, it keeps everything moving around, slippery. As Randy was saying, the Dawn and the Calgon are basically to keep the tank slippery, to keep things moving, and to keep your sensors clean. So that's it. Easy peasy. Once a couple times a month, and you're smelling fresh. Well, we hope you found this video helpful. If you like it, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.